How to sign in as Shein affiliate. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Shein affiliate account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome application. At the top search bar, simply type in Shein affiliate login. Once you do so, you will see its official website on your first search result. Tap open it. Now here, tap on three-dot icon and make sure that you are on desktop site. The reason you should do that is because you can easily zoom in and zoom out of the screen, and it will be easy for you to enter your credentials. Now at this section, you might be on new to publisher program. Switch to already registered, and here simply type in your email address, likewise your password, and tap on to submit. In case you have forgotten your Shein affiliate program password, tap on Forgot Your Password and get help resetting your account. If your credentials are correct, you will get logged into your Shein affiliate account. And that is how it works. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.